Hey guys, I am back. If you are new here, my name is Chris Creates, and on my channel you'll see beauty, special effects makeup, just a beautiful mix of glam and gore. This look I decided to do today is a sultry smoky eye with a pop of color, and I really like how it came out. If you guys are interested in getting this look, keep on watching. So let's get into this look. I already have my brows done. I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel. If you guys want to see an updated brow routine, let me know. I'm starting out with LA Girl Color. This is just like a light concealer. It doesn't really have a color on it. And I'm just using this to prime my eye. And I do apologize about the overexposure. Still trying to figure out this lighting. And you can also use your finger just to tap and blend out certain areas. Going into my Morphe 350 palette. Going into, you can't even see it, but this color here. Next I'm going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to use the brown shade here. And I turn the brush to the side to fade it out. I'm going back into the Morphe palette, and I'm using this kind of brown orangish shade here just to fade out the color I just added, the brown. Now to deepen the crease, I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in between these two shades here. Once it's blended out to your liking, I'm going to go back in with the same concealer that I used, and I'm just going to use it to cut the crease. And I'm not going to wing it out. I'm kind of just going to let it fade at the end of my lid. My baby, as you guys know. Next, I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Premise palette. And I'm using the brush that actually came inside the palette. And I'm going to go into Obsidian. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know, but it's the black shade. Placing it right here on the outer corner. And once I pack on the black, I turn to the other side, which is like a blending brush. It's the fluffier side. And I'm just fading it out so it won't be so harsh. Because the product is on the tip of it and it's not so much on the side, so doing this will help it fade. And I'm just going to go back and forth with adding more black and then fading it out until I get the look I want. Then I'm going into the color Osiris. It's like a navy blue color with gold flakes in it. And I'm using this flat brush here, and I'm just patting the color on my lid. Leaving an open space here. Okay, once that's finished, I'm going to go back into the black shade and just add it back where I dusted it away a little from the blue. Okay. Then I'm going to take my NYX gel liner. This is really pretty green. And I'm going to use this as a base because I want to put shadow over it. Then I'm going to go in with my NARS 2 shadow palette. So you can go underneath your eye and just wipe up any excess if you have any excess shadow. I'm going to go into my moisturizer. Maybelline Baby Skin, the pore eraser. I need that because my pores, they just really suck. Won't let me be great. I put it everywhere. Okay, so I'm really not a foundation wearer. I do BB cream, so this is by Kiss. You can go in with this, and then sometimes what I would do Sephora Kat Von D foundation. It just depends. And I also take this opportunity to sharpen my brows. To further blend it out, I'm going to take my beauty blender, spray it down with some water, and just pat just to make sure it's fully blended. Next, I go into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, however you want to pronounce it. And while I'm doing this, I just want to talk to y'all. You know, it's been a very, very, very long time since I've been on YouTube and made a video for you guys, and I'm so happy to be back. Got some looks coming up, Christmas and New Year's. I got some cool looks coming up, so hope you guys are ready. And I'm taking a smaller Real Techniques beauty blender and spraying it again with water. I'm just taking the back side and just lightly tapping
in my head, and I feel like I have like a 5 head, so I don't do too much concealing.
and I bring it all the way here, like up my nose. I know my nose is already small, but this is just what I like to do. I do that, and it kind of leaves a bit of space here, so it's like it's already contoured, so I don't really have to go in with to contour my nose, but I still am. So I don't let my concealer sit too long before taking my powder and going in and setting it. And I'm using my black Opal. I kind of just like really press it in. I don't bake. Go into this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Blend all that out with this. I believe I got this brush from Sephora. I think it's a powder, mineral powder, a powder brush or something like that, but it's really good for buffing out. Then I use a smaller, fluffy angled brush to buff out my nose contour. Then I go into my black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and my nose ring is about to fall out. Okay. And obviously, I love this. I go into the middle shade. And I got these from the dollar store, and they're bomb. Then I go into my Kiss Contour Kit. So now I'm going to go put my lashes on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Lashes are on. So I'm going to take this small fluffy angle brush and go back into the Morphe palette and use that same like orange.
And just kind of connect it.
I'm going to go back into that green and take this pencil brush and just add more to the inner corner. So I'm going in with this Colourpop Super Sharp Cheek highlighter, and this is the color Avalon. With this NYX Roll-On Shimmer. So this is not a highlight, but I just love it. It's like a pigment. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications for my videos, so whenever I post, you won't miss it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.